Do you translate in your head before speaking English? Do you feel slow, stuck, or blank? Do you want to speak fast and naturally, just like fluent speakers? If your answer is yes, then stay with me till the end. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to think in English naturally. So, let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to SAR English, and today it is day 11 of our English speaking challenge. So I'm your friend Ahmed, and today's topic is super important because we will learn how to stop translating and how to think directly in English. This one skill can change your speaking completely. Now, before we understand how to think in English, let's understand why is think in English so important. So, when you translate from your native language into English, then your brain has to work double. First of all, you think in your own language and then in English. So, what makes speaking slow? And this is the thing that makes your speaking slow and sometimes very unnatural. But when you think in English directly, you speak faster, your sentences sound natural, and you understand other people's English quickly. And the most important thing is that you feel more confident when you directly think in English. So thinking in English is equal to speaking English better. So before we dive into the main part of our today's video, let's understand some common mistakes that most of English learners make. Mistake number one, they try to translate each and every word. This stops their brain from learning English and thinking. Mistake number two, English learners who are not thinking in English, they too much focus on grammar. And the problem is that the perfect grammar is not our goal. The main solution is that clear communication is our goal. So we should focus on clear communication rather than too much focusing on grammar. Mistake number three that most of the English learners do, most of the English learners make, that is fear of making mistakes. Fear stops you from speaking, but mistakes help you grow. Mistake number four, there is no English environment. Yes, if English is only in your classroom, if English is only in your video, then your brain will not switch to English. You will have to make such an environment when you can listen, watch, think, and observe English. So now let's dive into the main part of our today's video, and that is how to train your brain to think in English. Step number one, name things around you. For example, chair, table, windows, and then try to make simple sentences with those vocabularies like the window is open, I'm sitting on the chair, there is a cup in my hand. The table is clean. Just like this, we can practice speaking English, and this will help you to think in English. Now, step number two, talk to yourself. Yes, it's really very effective step. While cooking, you can say, I'm cutting onions. While walking, you can talk to yourself by saying like this, I'm going to the market. Step 3. Use English to English dictionary. Don't translate words to your language. Try to learn English meanings in simple English so that you can relate the situation with word. And when you are speaking English, you can use those words very easily. Step number 4. Use short sentences. For example, I'm hungry. I'm tired. It's raining. I'm thinking something right now. Okay, so short sentences means fast thinking. You don't need to think a lot to create short sentences. It comes naturally. And once it becomes habit, it becomes very easy for you to think in English. Step 5. Create an inner voice. What does it mean by an inner voice? Inner voice means think something inwardly, means think simple thoughts in mind in English. For example, what should I eat? I need some rest. So this kind of sentences you can think in your mind. So this is called creating an inner voice. Step number 6, which is also a very important part to train your brain to think in English, and that is surround yourself with English. Now, how can you surround yourself with English? You can watch English videos, listen to podcasts or short stories, because daily English is equal to automatic English thinking. So you have to switch from your native language to English language. Now let me tell you how you can do daily practice. Let me show you some daily practice way. In the morning, you can practice like this. Today is Wednesday. I feel fresh. I will do this task today. And when you go to your bed at night, then you can practice like this. What did I do today? Where did I go today? And why did I do this thing with that person? Number 2, 30-minute no translation rule. Yes. Try to create 30 minutes where you are free and you can think only in English. Number 3, speak aloud at least for 2 minutes every day. How can you do this? By describing your actions. For example, I'm making tea. I like the smell. I'm recording the video right now. So speak like this at least for 2 minutes. Number 4, think during simple activities. For example, if you are walking on the road, you can simply think in your mind that the weather is nice. And when you are cooking, you can say the weather is cold if the weather is cold. Number 5, write at least 3 lines. Write at least 3 lines in your notebook. That is no matter of perfect English grammar. Okay, just write down your thoughts the way you think. Okay, now what are the problems that you face to stay motivated? Let me tell you and cover all these problems. Problem number 1 is still thinking in native language. So the solution is that start with English words, and these English words should be single. Number 2 problem, don't know the English word. Then the solution is that if you don't know any word of the thing, then try to explain those things in simple language, simple English. For example, if you see fridge but you don't know it is called fridge, so you can describe that thing. For example, it's a cold box for food. So the other person who is listening to you will understand that you are talking about fridge. Next problem, number 3, feeling slow. Yes, when you speak English, you feel that your English is slow. So the solution is only practice. Okay, so record yourself every day. Okay, after 2 and 3 weeks, you will hear that there will be a lot of improvement in your speaking. So if you speak every day, then you will not feel slow, because every day you will have some progress and your speed will increase. You will become fluent. Okay. So before I leave, I would like to tell you something that is more important, because thinking in English takes time. So every day, but a small daily practice creates big results. So start with small, but stay consistent, and please don't afraid of making mistakes. Don't fear mistakes. And tell me, which tip will you follow today? If this video really helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SAR English. This is Ahmed from SAR English. Keep watching, keep thinking in English and keep improving. See you in the next day 12. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.